Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here today at the Lucas factory. Let's see what we find in here today. Right, here we go, guys.
Forgot something?
Huh?
Forgot something. Oh my god, what is that?
Huh? Yeah.
This one wrecked me. This one like this last time.
I don't know if we would have noticed.
I don't know.
We were everywhere last time. Wow, guys. We're in. We're exploring. Let's just hope. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we are joined today by Mick Spanner. If you see his, well, we'll link him in the video below anyway. So smash up his page, guys. Let's have a look in here. Ooh, we got a toilet. We have a toilet. Yeah, go up first before we go down.
You want to walk through the top level?
Right. How did you whistle it? Did you just whistle? Oh. Don't know, mate.
Stairway from the windows,
Look at all this, guys. This is insane.
We've gone massively.
Guys, look at that. I don't think you're gonna see lights in the day anyway, mate. You're gonna see lights in the night. Look at the fire damage in here, guys. It's fucking insane. Excuse my language. Squidgy. That's where they put the fire out, I think, mate. Oh my gosh. Just imagine this place in its former glory, guys. Why do people have to come in and do shit like this? It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm recalling my footage, guys. So, a lot of footage to this, but it was really, really poor. Come back and we filmed it. We do not want poor footage.
That's some boarded up there, guys.
Trying to make the footage decent.
And we haven't yet found Mr. Spanner. We've come in on the mid floor. We've come straight upstairs, so he's not on the mid floor. He's not on the top floor. Let's see if we'll find him on the lower floor. 2K's on a mission, just leaving me behind. Huh?
You check your phone to see if he's messaged you.
No. Yeah, it was open last time we come here. Go forward a bit. Oh my gosh, guys, look at all this. All this stuff, guys. boxes and boxes. There's a boxing bag there. Oh my gosh. Huh? Have you got your lights on yet? Wow, guys. Look at that. This is insane, guys. Huh? Well, we don't have to break our nuts because we got in the right way.
Someone text me then. What happens in that bottom floor?
What, back there?
No, back by the stairs. Remember the
Guys, look at all the stuff we gotta walk over to get through, guys. And just to think that this place was standing in World War I and World War II.
Hear that?
Yeah, bloody beep.
That's Mick warning us where he is.
Look at this stuff everywhere.
Oh, fuck you.
Right, stay where you are.
Fuck.
You're rest.
Look at him with his fucking wig on.
Mick, everyone. Mate, I was trying to find you.
Did you find that in here? You did,
Well, no, I
didn't
brought
you?
it with me.
Did you go through the fire exam?
Look, guys, look at his police hat. Oi.
Got my papers on. Thursday, mate. You're gonna be my new thumbnail today. I was like, look at her tapping. I was like,
Oh, sorry, mate.
just grabbed his lunch box.
I can't see with this, huh? It's very big, isn't it?
Yeah.
Watch that hole there, man.
Mate.
I can see now. I'm sweating.
I'm finding you managed to do that with that one. I was like,
It took ages. I was thinking, where are they? I can't take it any longer. I'm sweating.
Well, no, someone wanted donuts.
So I haven't been to that.
you didn't go downstairs yet.
I've been downstairs, but you can't get there.
Oh, down there. The door should be open.
Brian door.
Oh no, you're on about the first part where you come in. So you're gonna have to climb over it.
But you have to go down there and get there.
I'll show you in a minute.
Oh, that's right.
I was there, I was like, Green, did anyone see you find me? I was like, well, fine, I'll lost part for you.
I got her early and I thought if I don't just do it there and then, I'm going to struggle. I tried getting over the first time and that fridge thing moved forward.
Yeah, it did with me.
I was like, shit. There was like people looking and I thought I'm just going to go in and wait for you.
This place is absolutely huge, mate. Up the next floor, it's all
Can't
cars.
get over there though, can you? Unless you go...
So, down there, there's a...
We've been the
Yeah,
length and breadth of
Yeah, you
this.
should be good. There's all exits.
We've been the length and breadth of this
We've
factory.
been everywhere.
There's a dead end there, isn't it? You've got to go down the stairs.
There should be 2 stairs around here. 2, 3 steps. As well.
Well, I think we should all have fancy dress anyway. There's plenty there.
Well, if we knew it was the dress code, mate, we would have brought
Tell
one.
you what, mate, you're lucky I couldn't fit there. Look. Glad to take this place off the road.
Yeah, that's what we said. The van's outside, the owner's van. I think the owner's van's outside. He's parked it there.
White one.
Yeah.
He's in it.
He's in there, is it? Well, he's just
So I come out and I walked up there first of all, and as I walked up the door was open on the van and there was a bloke in the back. I thought, what's he doing? So then I just kept walking, went round the block.
Well, if he tries to seal us in, he ain't gonna fucking
Come up
succeed.
here. And then I just thought I'm just going to get straight in.
Yeah.
Halloween costumes here, guys. This is a toilet area.
I crushed me nan on the fence as well, as I'm enjoying.
Is that what you meant? I was like, well, couldn't you even send it? I was like, oh no.
Yeah, he did that the other day as well.
What's that?
Crushed his nads.
It's alright, you're going to have a bit of fun when you got to climb over that single door downstairs.
Yeah, then out a window.
Yeah.
Still got to climb it, have you?
Yeah.
You done all that in there, did you?
Yeah. There's...
Bloody Welsh blood. Thank you for doing. I was going to put that one, but it feels done.
Yeah. I couldn't breathe in there the other night, could I?
No.
I literally couldn't breathe at all.
Yeah, I think part of it was panic.
Yeah, I was going to say, you get a bit, I get a bit of that. Bit of adrenaline.
Taking it steady on these stairs to think, if I can GoPro. My GoPro footage from this place is shaking like anything.
It was not being funny, mate. I think your nerves were bouncing that much. Your hand was fucking shaking last time.
I'd be careful because that's where the van is. The van is hot from that corner.
Which window? This one?
I was going to say, that means he's outside with the air in there somewhere. Can I see it in there? Just like a camper van.
Because that's the van what come out last time.
Yeah, like maybe he's just losing. I walked past, he didn't say, he was still in the back, but I was messing about with it.
Why didn't anyone that's what left out? That's what left out.
That's because we're on the ball, mate. Ow! Mobility scooter, guys.
Join in, Craig.
Have you found one of you? Look at him.
It's office chair now, isn't it?
It's been that way.
Yeah.
I just had another car pull up.
Your Majesty, please.
Do you hear that? I think it was another car.
Similar size to the ones that came.
Mate, I'm not being funny. It wouldn't surprise me how much they're protecting this place if they weren't doing it themselves.
You see that toilet? Interrogation toilet.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of pigeons in here and there is rats in here as well.
Yeah, that smells of human shit.
I didn't see that last time.
I didn't see that last time.
That toilet.
That one? Toilet?
Yeah.
Right, let's go this way. Fuck's sake.
Would you have to go up?
Yeah. Oh mate,
Take one of these.
look, that was resting against that wall before.
That wasn't like that last time, was it? That was there last time?
Or have I just not missed that?
It was all dusty, isn't it?
Like this.
Yeah. Or did I miss it last
It's covered
time?
in dust, look.
You missed that last time, but that was definitely not on the stairs.
In the top up here, cereal box,
That was definitely not on the stairs like that.
What, that way?
Yeah, because it was resting against that wall there.
Yeah, these go all the way down.
Cool, we can.
Shit, I thought I went through it just after these down.
What the heck, guys? A car.
The massive
Making me up.
shit. Tax my vehicles there. Don't come after me, guys. Tax it.
That'd be worth some money, I suppose.
Yeah. Fortunately, something like that there. We're probably going to quite a shot. It's the way that the way it's just gone.
One by the curtain shop.
Wow, guys. This place is incredible. Huh?
On this one side, it's empty.
It was last time. Yeah. Little room there, guys. Engines and everything there, guys. Engines. Why would you? Oops, that noise is me, guys. There's so much trash you gotta walk over. It's not good. Wow. So much stuff. Look at this, guys. Bear with guys, I'm just putting sort of sticker up. Fucking amazing. Doesn't go anywhere apart from there, guys. There's stuff here though. It's just amazing. All this stuff just left here. Cars, engines, electricals. The old-fashioned sewing machine, the wind-up one. All this electrical goods, guys. Wow. It's incredible, guys. Looking out the window. Look at this, guys. Sorry guys, quick battery change there. Yeah guys, this is incredible. Look at this, so fusible guys. Look at that. And then me. Wow. There they are, the troublemakers.
Mate, there's a room in there full of canisters on that side.
Yeah, I've seen them.
It's mad. Anyone needs to take a back heat?
Wow, but look at the offices. This would be one of the main offices. Absolutely insane, guys. Mate, the camera fucking fell off the stand.
Did it?
Yeah.
It's alright though.
Yeah, well.
Hey, that screen set well, so I think.
Well, no, I caught it before it fell. But still, I'm gonna have to edit that bit out. This is massive, guys. Right, you ready to go up again? This is absolutely amazing, guys. Honestly. We're gonna go upstairs again, guys. Wow, guys, this place is so big. Look, guys, a fear panda. I'll go over this way first. Oh. Huge, guys. You can see naughty people have been using this for a grow room. They're doing very bad things that they shouldn't be doing. Little cupboard there. And guys, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. It's completely free. Hit post notifications, guys. So then you'll be notified every time we post a video. Wow, guys. You've got a snooker table. Let's have a look on this corner. Or workbenches for timber. Another sticker up there, guys. This is huge. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, because it is insane. Wow, another little cupboard room. Oh, look at the old vending machines, guys. Little room. Oh my gosh. You see out onto the roof there, guys. Nice. Toilets, guys. Those are the old toilets. Amazing. Bit of a struggle there getting over the boards, guys. And here we are onto the roof. It's a lovely sunny day. Wow. I've been there again. Hey guys, we've got to go down to the first floor now.
What's the fire exit?
Huh?
Is this a fire exit? Or is this just one door or something?
It's another car.
Mate, you went so quiet. Mick, yeah? Yeah. Mick was so quiet, you were so quiet, and all you clear of voices is there, and I was like...
Mate, I was in the back end over there a minute ago, on the far corner. How did you like a drill?
Yes, the garage. I thought that.
That goes up to the roof.
Incorrect. Never a sewing machine. That's David's answer.
Yeah, this is the worst one of them all.
That screen, that bird screen,
This is the soil, I think. All the old shitty soil. Yeah, I've been there as well. Look at the side of yours. Already done it.
Have you done the roof yet? Are you waiting?
I've done it. Come back down to the first floor now.
Yeah,
Right down where you could crush your bollocks. I'll tell you what it might be worth doing first before we do that though, is go back into that building where we come in and then, I'll do that on the way out because we go out that way. Sorry guys. Alright guys, I'm just going to wait for the others to catch up. We'll be back soon. Peace out. Back to that. Right then guys, we're back. We've found a new stairway.
This is where they were.
Is it?
We came round there, so we must have come up eastward. Because that's the corner of the building.
Crazy.
Stinks in it.
It's humming in here, mate, isn't it? No?
I was retching me in there. I was
Me and Mick go down the bottom of the stairs, mate.
You two was here. You two was here. I was in there. I was retching me.
I didn't hear it.
You don't hear it?
No.
Proper retching. I was like, I'm getting out on the stairs.
Yeah, it's like loads of pigeon shit in here everywhere, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like that one room.
And there's rat shit.
That one room for that weird smell.
I wouldn't walk out onto the roof though. Because you can see people as soon as you walk into the centre of it.
Yeah.
Just literally like out the door and just juice.
Mate, what's your stomach, mate?
Yeah, it's humming over there. Worse than here.
Yeah, it stinks in there though.
And we're gonna head down now. Well, I am. Just recapping through what we've done already, guys. Another sticker there. Just putting stickers out guys as I'm going. There's a push bike just left on the stairs, guys. Even car parts left on the windowsill. How about that sticker right there? Sanitize your hands. That's what he's saying. Oh, sanitize your hands with Craig and the Ghost Hunter. Some little bits and bobs under the stairs there, guys. All the window panes. Locked door. This room's a bit dark, guys. You can see it now, though. We are going to climb over in a sec. Just got to be careful because I'm connected to leads. So if the look down, guys, a minute. Oh, cyclone. Sorry about that, guys. Just had to climb over there. Right then. All this stuff, guys. Absolutely loads of it everywhere. Yeah, there's Mr. whatever he is. Another vending machine, guys. Big industrial print machine. Chair, which we're going to move to get through. This place is crazy. Absolute crazy. Look at it all. Everything, all the keyboards, guys, on the floor. Everything. Look at this massive place. much noise. Outside there, guys. Look at it, guys. So much electrical stuff. We're gonna go back the way we came. 'Cause this is insane, guys. We believe we may have someone sat outside waiting for us to come out, but it is what it is, guys. Civil matter. Civil matter. We're gonna try and get through. Big hole in the floor there. Look at all this stuff. It's beyond a joke. How could they leave so much stuff here? I can't believe they leave so much. Office room, guys. Look at that. Head to the other side of the factory. And then we're going to go out the same way we come in. It's easier. Fire exit just done there, guys. Look how big this is, guys. So much stuff just left behind. Coffee machines. You name it, it's here. This is like Kerry's PC World on an industrial scale. Look at it all, guys. Everything you ever want is here. You do know you gotta go back through there, yeah?
Are you going back through there?
Yeah, because I want to go do the bottom floor. Huh? Yeah, mate, he hasn't done that building at all.
What, down that end?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done that straight away. As soon as I come in through the second floor, I went there.
Oh, you've been on the bottom floor?
It was just a load of sofas, there wasn't really much.
Right, guess we're going out the window then. Right, guys. That's me heading back out. Stay tuned. Shit, sorry. Stay tuned for drone footages to follow. And like I said, guys, let me turn this light down a little bit so you can actually see me. Wherever it is. Right. So like I said, guys, smash that like button, subscribe. It's completely free. I'm nearly falling over everywhere here. There's so much stuff here. Hit post notifications and subscribe, and don't forget to like. And if you want to, we'd really appreciate it if you leave us a comment I will reply. I will always reply. Look at all the stuff I'm just walking over, guys. It's amazing. So, yeah, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.